Hello guys, once again welcome to Ravi English Word, and today's video is very important for my viewers and who are watching this video at this time. And I would say it is not just important for you, it is important for everybody who is living in India, because my today's topic is very different. And I have heard this thing from the people, it is not important to learn English. Or is it important to learn English? And we can survive without English. People just say these lines. And we can survive without English. They keep saying, so that's why they do not learn English. And they are not still learning English. But I want to say, or I want to give full stop. And I want to answer these questions. Yes, it is important to learn English. You will face so many problems if you don't know English at this time in today's world, and I will explain you why or how. People just often say we don't need English, we don't need to learn English, and I don't have any kind of I would say need to learn English, just I know Hindi, that is sufficient. They face problems but they don't want to share, they don't want to show. I also want to tell one thing here. I am not saying English is everything. I am not saying this thing. English is not everything. All the languages are important. I respect Hindi, Sanskrit, all the languages. But English at this time has become the global language, which is spoken on the globe. And it has become the international language, which is spoken in all over the countries. Suppose our ministers and the ministers of government, they go to other countries, they don't know English, so how will they communicate, how will they survive? Suppose if there are so many MNC companies in India, in Delhi, Bombay, NCR, so if we don't know English, so how can we give employment to our people? My question is that they will speak in English and we don't know English, so how we will fill the gap of communication? If you have to do job in MNC, so you need English. If you want to trade globally, so you need English. If you want to do business, so you need English. So English, that's why has become very important at this time to grow. If you want to grow, if you want to make your future like out of India, so you should know English. Otherwise, how will you survive there? My question is that if you have chance to visit America for 10 days, for 15 days, and you are going to visit America, so without English, how would you survive? I am not saying you should be amazing, perfect, or absolutely 100% perfect. Nobody is 100% perfect, but you should have at least knowledge about English. You should know how to communicate, you should know how to understand, you should know how to answer all the questions, you should know how to deal. So these things you should know in English. If you are planning to visit abroad, if somebody goes to America, he doesn't know English, so even he will not be able to eat food. How will he ask for food? So that's why if you have chance to work in foreign countries, so you can work if you have command over the language. But if you skip this language, so I think you will face so many problems. In job you will face problems, in business you will face problem, in trading you will face problem, in finance, in politics. So English is very important. It is the communication source to us. It has become the communication source to many countries. The people who speak, I would say there is a country named China, so they also speak English, and Pakistan also, the Pakistanis also, they also speak English because they want to communicate. If they don't want to communicate, Bangladeshi, Sri Lankans, there are so many countries, they have to speak in English, they have to learn English. I am not forcing, it has become the need. Even if you want to make your future in India, so there are so many, I would say sectors which demand English because they have to talk in English. Suppose you go to call center, if you want to make your career in call center, so you should have the knowledge of English. So in MNC company, in call center, you must know English because their communication is done in English. So English has become the very important part of our society. If you go to bank, if you go to private job, government job, documentations are in English. So I have seen so many boys, youngsters, they go to bank and whenever they get any kind of form, so they hesitate because all the things are written in English sometimes. So they become I would say like disturbed, nervous, like how can we read, how can we reply, so they ask other people. So here it is the problem. Learn this much that not to face any problem. Learn this much. I am not asking you to become an expert. I am not asking you to become a trainer to teach other people. Okay, just learn for yourself. Learn this much that you could not face any problem. So learn this much, prepare yourself this much. If you go to banking, any finance, anywhere you go, just you become comfortable in English. That's why you will be able to survive at this time. That's why it has become this much important. Although all the languages are important. Suppose for example, if I give you, there are so many states in India. If you go to Karnataka, if you go to South, so Hindi is not common there. Tamil is common there. There are so many local languages are common. They don't know Hindi and you don't know English. So how will you survive? How will you survive? They don't know Hindi, you don't know English. So how will you communicate? How will you do job, business? How will you live there? So that's why English just fills the gap. English has become the common language at this time. If you know English, if they know English, so you can communicate. Okay? Or I am not saying this thing, English is everything. Just English is important at this time. Not everything, but important to learn at this time. So friends, do not ignore learning English. Please, do not ignore learning English because it also grooms your personality. It also just shows that you have some skill, because people have this kind of mentality. They think if the person is able to speak English, so he must be intelligent, he must be great, he must have so many skills. So people have this kind of mentality if you know English. So if they have this kind of mentality, so let them keep. So you just learn English and keep this thing away. English is not important. English is important. It has become important. So today onwards, take decision and learn and prepare yourself in English. So just I want to request to you, and it is all about this video. And if you really want to learn English and if you really want to prepare yourself in English, so you have come to the right channel, which is Ravi English Word. So you need to subscribe, and if you like my all the points, so you need to subscribe and also like the hit button, and also share with your friends who want to grow their self in English. So friends, it is all about this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice